Welcome to eTollFree's Cloud Phone System tutorial series. In this video, we will be setting up call screening. Call screening in a cloud phone system is like having a digital gatekeeper for your calls. This feature prompts callers to give their name or reason for calling before you hear the phone ring, allowing you to manage your calls more effectively. If you're using the Find Me, Follow Me feature, which tries to reach you at several numbers, call screening might only work on the first number and skip the rest. Here's how to set up call screening. First, create an extension. This is the first crucial step. Please check out our video tutorial on how to create a phone extension for a comprehensive guide. Then, enable call screening. Go back to Accounts. Click the extension that you want to set up for call screening. Look for the call screen field, select Enable, then click Save. Now, click the Call Forwarding button, enable the Follow Me field, and enter your 10-digit phone number along with the country code 1. Then, click Save. To know more about the Follow Me feature, please check out our Follow Me video tutorial. And remember, our customer service team is always here to support you. Should you have any questions or need assistance, don't hesitate to click the bubble icon at the bottom right corner of the page. We're here for you whenever you need us. Thank you for tuning in, and we look forward to enhancing your experience with our services.